So in this video, we're going to be looking at how to create mega menu on WordPress, just the way this one is. So you see some things showing here, right? Mega menu, not just the normal menu. So if I come to our new site, we'll see this is the basic menu, just the way it is normally. So I want to transform this from a normal menu to mega menu. So I'm going to go to the back end, right, and then we're going to be using two ways. One we're going to do is we're going to use two plugins. One is the Max Mega Menu and the other one is ElementsKit. So let's start with the first one, Max Mega Menu. So go to plugin and go to add new plugin, and then when you do, it's going to bring you the plugins where you can add new plugins, and then you type in the name Max Mega Menu. Max Mega Menu. Now let's see how we can transform what we have into what we want. Now this one here, Max Mega Menu. So I'm going to go ahead to install the plugin, and then when it's done installing, we can now activate. All right, now it's done installing, so I'm going to activate it, so that we can do some little customization. All right, so this is what it is like currently. So let's see what it's going to be like after we're done customizing. So Max Mega Menu, then look for it on the left hand panel, Mega Menu here. Then I'm going to click on it and then see some things that we can do. So some settings that we can do, menu, and then go to primary menu. That's what we want to use, primary menu. Then enable it here. Save changes. So when we save changes, we go back to our to the menu appearance, then go to menu, so that we can make it enabled on the menu, and then choose the one you want to. So now you can see after we install the plugin, these options now appear: mega menu, mega menu. So if we go back to the main menu now, we'll see, and let's refresh this page, we'll see some changes that has happened to the menu. Now if I hover on it, you're going to see this appears, but still not a mega menu, but the menu layout has changed. Now let's see how to apply mega menu to it. Now I want to apply the mega menu to the shop. So I'm going to click on mega menu, right, and then go to flyout menu. I want the mega menu to be grid. Now this is how we now create the mega menu on Max Mega Menu. You can control the column and then the row from here. And let's say we want to add another column, add column and add another one. Now I want them to be 3, right? So I'm going to make them 4/12, 4/12. Increase this to 4/12, increase to 4/12. And of course you can keep dragging all of this. So category 1, category 2, category 3. You can add an image here. You can add a widget. So categories, you can add categories. So drag categories here. I'm going to add a gallery. Drag gallery here. And how you can also add a row in case you want to have another row, right? The same thing. So add column and add column again, just to create the mega menu effect, right? So I'm going to add one more thing here. Let's say you want to add pages, and it's going to usually add to the first one. So you do the dragging into where you want it to go to. Now just do some minor changes here, and title category, and then save it. Make sure you save. Then I'm going to go to the gallery and then add some images. Add images. Let's see, just random images. For create new gallery and then insert gallery. Alright, now save it. So now that we have this, let's see what it looks like. It saves automatically. So if I go back to the home page, and when I hover on the shop where we created the mega menu, we're going to see those things that we've done. They're going to be affected. So if I hover on it, now I can see category 1, category 2, category 3, category uncategorized, and here's the gallery, pages, product, and then product categories. But now it's looking very awkward. So let's see how to make it fit into the whole width. Go to the main settings. Go to the settings here, mega menu. Go to mega menu. So in case you're installing for the first time, you're going to see all of this. So we have to work step by step on it. So go to menu themes. Go to menu and then go to mega menus. Now look at outer width. Now it says set the outer width to VW, that is view width, VW. Then you can do some other settings like setting the background color and doing all of that. But for now, I'm going to leave it the way it is and then save changes. Now if I go to the home page and I refresh this, let's see what happens. Now if I hover on it, the width is now more. But if you don't like it covering the whole screen, it's because because of the number of content that we have there. We can just have it as one. Go back to the appearance, go to menu. Let's just have one row there. So go to menu and then mega menu. Let's remove one row. Let's say I want to remove this row, this one here. So I'm going to go delete this. I'm going to delete them one by one because that's the way we can delete that. So I'll just do that quickly and then we'll skip this part. So now I've gone ahead to delete this. So we have just this one here. So let's look at what it is like now. Alright, so if I hover on it, you can now see it's now occupying everywhere. And this one here, we can 1 2 3 was done from the menu, right, when we set it up and all of that. So that one stays because it came from the menu. You can also remove it by going to the menu and also removing it. So this is what we have now for, and anyone we click product category, it takes us to the page where that product is. And that's how we can create a mega menu using Max Mega Menu. So now we're going to go to the next one, which is ElementsKit. But before that, please like and subscribe to this channel as a way to support the channel so more people can get to see these videos. Alright, so I'm going to go to the next one, which is ElementsKit. Go to plugin, go to the plugin, add new plugin, and then type ElementsKit. ElementsKit. Yeah, ElementsKit. So I'm going to go ahead to install this, and when I do, now you can see here mega menu, custom widget, header, footer. So we want to use it to create a mega menu for our website, especially if you're building an e-commerce website or any other site at all that you want to have mega menu, not just the normal menu. So I'm going to go ahead to activate it. But after I activate it, I'm going to go to uninstall the other one so that they don't conflict. So let's go to plugins and go to where we have the other one, Max Mega Menu, and then deactivate it. Now we have ElementsKit activated. Now let's see how to work around ElementsKit to achieve the same thing. If I go back to the home and I refresh, nothing happens. It's going to go back to the normal because we haven't done anything with the ElementsKit. So let's go. How do we now set up with ElementsKit? Go to the ElementsKit here and then click on header, footer. So first we want to create the header, then later we'll create the mega menu, and then we'll now do how to customize. Alright, so just do all of this next, and I'm going to see you at the end. So when we get to the end, from now we can now go to WP dashboard. Now if I click on, then go to header, footer, we want to create a new header. Right, so I'm going to go to header, add template, add new template, go to the name, call it main menu or main header, and what type, header, entire site, and then you activate it, then save changes. Now when you do, want to now edit, let's see what kind of header we want to have. So edit it and go to edit content. And when you go to edit content, it's going to bring you to templates that we can use, and of course template helps to make our work faster and easier. Alright, so now that we have this prompt is going to come up because first time we're coming on Elementor on this site. So I'm going to close all of this, then go to the template, ElementsKit template, click on it because we want to add the header, then go to sections. Alright, so here we have category. Now we want to choose the header because that's what we're looking for, header. So here you can see some header, let's say, and if you want to preview, just click on the plus icon there. You want to see some header here, ElementsKit, and let's see the one that we can use. Oh, let's go back to sections. Let's see if we can, let's use this one here. So to insert it, just click on insert, and it's going to insert it into your page. So now it's done inserting, but you can see some empty places here. Though this is the menu. I'm going to click on the main menu, that's my primary menu. Then I'm going to go back to the logo, change the logo to what I want. I want to use this, so change the logo. You can also reduce the size from here through the style parts. Alright, and then when I'm done, I'm going to publish this. Now if I publish, let's see what it now looks like. Go back here and then refresh this page. So now we have a different header from what we used to have. So if I hover on it, nothing happens, but now we have a new header. So how do we add the Max menu to this new header that we've created? Go back there, and now we're done with the header. We're going to go back to the dashboard. Now we're going to go to the appearance, to the menu, and let's add it to the one that we want to add it to. So let's say I want to add it, but also make sure you enable the mega menu. So enable this menu for mega content. Then I want to add it to the shop menu. So I'm going to click on mega menu here, enable. Now I'm going to go to edit mega menu content. Alright, so now we have this. We're going to do the same thing like we did for the header. Click on the ElementsKit. Now this time, instead of clicking on the header, we're going to go to mega menu. That's what we're looking for, mega menu here. So let's see the one we want to use. Just make your choice. So just keep checking the one you want to use, and if you like the format, you just use them that way. So let's say we want to use this one here. I'm going to insert this. Of course, when you are done selecting the one you want, just insert it into your page. Alright, so now we have it. Let's reduce this a little. Okay, and now we can now do a customization to all of these. So let's change the image. Let's say we want to have an image here. If you already downloaded your image, let's have an image here. Let's change this to one of the images that we have. Now how about the name? So take for instance, we have different categories for all of this. If I go to the shop page, let's say the categories that we have. So we have body lotion. So I'll just come in and type body lotion. So body lotion. Let's check for the other one, bundles. Come here and type bundles. So I'm just going to go ahead to fill all of this. Alright, so now we have body lotion, bundles, cleanser, and then moisturizer. And then for anyone you click, you can put in the link here. So for instance, if I go here, body lotion, and then I'm going to copy this link here. Now we have 3 products under body lotion. So I'm going to copy this link here and then go to the link and paste it. So that when they click on this, it's going to take them to that page, right? And then under here, I know I have this. Just copy the name, armor this, and let's customize this list here. So the same thing happens for these other ones here. Just customize them, and you are able to now insert the link, change the name. Now let's click on this product. I'm going to copy the link here and then put it here. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the others here, right? So I'm going to go ahead to just do them, and then we can now move on. Alright, so I've gone ahead to do for the other 3. Now for this other ones, just the same process happens. Alright, now this other part is in case you have a logo, maybe your brand, your client has a brand, or your business has a brand, sponsors and all of that. You can do that by clicking here and then changing the images here. You can also put the link of the company if you want to. Enable link, and then you put the link here, but then you change the image from here. But if you don't want it entirely, just click on the X and you're going to take it away. Now let's publish this and see what we have. Now this is looking good already. Now if we go to the home page, let's go to the home page, and then we hover on the shop page where we have our Max Mega menu. Nothing happened, and that's for one reason. I'll have to go back and then make sure I save this menu, because if I don't save the menu, nothing changes. So if I go back there, we're going to see and refresh this page. Let's see if it's going to show now. So if I hover on this, now we can see it's showing perfect, but we don't like the way it's portrayed here, right? I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go to the mega menu again and then edit this mega menu. Now if you look at this, you can see some transparency. You can see that this is transparent, the background is transparent, so we need to make it white. Let's go back there, and then when it's done loading, we can now change the background to white. So now it's done loading. We're going to change the background to white. And if you want to see how to work your way around Elementor, there's a video we have about Elementor, the full video. You can check it up there. Alright, so I'm going to go to this one, select this section, and then go to style, background type, make the background white. Now if I do that, I'm going to have a white background, publish. Now let's see if I publish. Okay, I'm going to close this again and save this. Then let's save the main menu. When I do, I'm going to refresh this and hover on this. Now it's a lot better, but want it to happen just the way the other one happened, let it fill up the whole screen. So go to the menu, right, and then click on mega menu. Go to settings. Now you can see mega menu width as full width, but want to have the mega menu position also as default. So I'm going to save this. When we save, go back and refresh this page. Now it's done refresh. I'm going to hover on it. Now I can see very good, very good, and this is looking so good. This is good. So of course you can check all of this, and then the link that we created, if I click on the body lotion to take me to the body lotion page, right, and then if I click on any of the products here, it takes me to the products, and this is where you can now add to cart, and then we'll check out. So we've been able to create our mega menu using the Max Mega Menu and also using ElementsKit with Elementor Page Builder. So now you can work your way around Max Mega Menu and the ElementsKit to build a mega menu. Hope this video was very valuable to you. Please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe so that more people can get access to these videos. See you next time. Bye.